Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create an interface in Airtable, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in one of my tables right now in the grid view of it, and what we're going to do to create an interface is go here to the top and click on interfaces. As you can see here, you can click start building to actually make an interface, and you can build a form or you can build an interface. Just click interface, and you can choose a use case, power it with data, and customize and share if you want to. And as you can see, you just need to name your interface and choose the icon. I'll just keep it as it is, and here you can select which interface you would like. You can create another list, you can create a gallery, you can create a Kanban, you can create a calendar, dashboard, whatever you want. I'll create a dashboard, so just click on it, and as you can see here, you have the preview for both desktop and mobile devices. And once you select that, click next, then select the table which you want to make into this interface, and just click finish. And as you can see, the interface has now been built. As you can see, you have a pivot table over here, you have whatever this is, a bar graph, and you have the count of items in that list. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.